Hey guys, Michael Merula here. How is everyone? I hope you enjoy my work and also hope you keep working on your projects. Today I would like to talk unusually about what next. Don't worry, work on the unknown world continues. I already have several artworks in progress, new illustrations, character designs, maps, and I am also writing deeper lore. Recently I saw an artist. She has almost 1 million subscribers but only few hundred views. She has been working on her channel for several years and her information is an academic level. But people don't care anymore. And for her, this means that her channel no longer earns and supports her living. And that is what something I would like to comment on today. I have filmed new videos and written script, but I don't know exactly how to approach it and where to aim with my YouTube channel. Because I watch various videos on YouTube, mainly historical documentaries, fantasy lore, making of movies, art talks, and that's basically what my Unknown World Building series is about. I avoid art tutorials on purpose because it's the same thing over and over again. Tutorials are a very popular topic, but for me personally they have little value. Everything I learned about digital painting, I learned by myself by trying different things and just experimenting. And for this reason, I don't want to do any step-by-step tutorials. And I say this from the position of former school art teacher. You all know by now that my goal on my channel is to ignite passion for art, fantasy and history and free thinking. I really hope that my videos inspire you to create your own project, or at last you enjoy glimpses into my fantasy world. My approach to education has always been alternative. I acquire and pass on knowledge and experience from my own experience. I hate boring theory, but I love personal touch. I was never a good student, but I am a good teacher who try to develop that my students enjoy. I can hardly apply my practice and experience to YouTube because it is difficult and exhausting for me to speak English, write and translate scripts, draw for several hours and then edit videos. One episode of Unknown World takes me almost a week to make. For this reason I have to leave out a lot of things. If I had completely free hand, I would turn on recording of my painting and talk calmly for an hour about all possible topics. And why I am talking about this? I have a little episode in the work right now, sort of character design tutorial with some more about Unknown World. So you can put this information in context with my workflow. However, there are endless topics related to it. When I talk about character design, it also applies to world building, illustration, inspiration, other art style, and how to take it all and translate it into reality. Therefore, I would not like to talk any theoretically about the individual steps, but give you much broader and deeper insight into this topic. This is my wish, my nature. I want to talk, discover and create many different things. That's what I enjoy the most, thinking about things from different angles, putting them in the context, because I have been through difficult events in my life and I am still struggling with my health, and that is why I also enjoy psychology. All these themes somehow reflects my unknown world and the seemingly random style of my videos. Then there is problem with YouTube. Algorithm is extremely complex thing. If you want to become successful YouTuber, you must follow exactly given rules and trends, and I don't want to do that. I'm a bit of boomer. Of course I want to reach more people, but on other hand I don't want to make monotonous content without meaning and value just for likes, views, clicks and so on. Validation is not a thing I seek. I choose different path. I would like to accomplish, learn and share a lot, but time is ticking. At this point, finishing my art book is not goal. It's path to learn new things and do what I love, and in same time share my passion. Those are my thoughts for now. Write me in the comments what do you enjoy on my channel. What would you like to see more or less? What would you like to know about the topics we talk about? As always, I love all your questions about unknown word lore because you also inspire me for my work. It is mutual sharing and support. We are people with the same dreams, not machines. That's what my channel is about, right? I would like to be a mentor for you, but I can only offer you a hand, inspiration, show you the direction, develop what you like, but you have to go on this journey alone, because that's the only way how you grow. And with that, everything was said. Thank you all for your support. I love you all, and see you next time.